This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Headlight bulbs renewal. Working in the engine compartment, remove the cover from the rear of the headlight. Remove the wiring plug by pulling it from the bulb. Compress and release the spring retaining clip and remove the bulb. Install the new bulb, ensuring that it is located correctly in the headlight unit. Secure the spring retaining clip. Connect the wiring plug and refit the headlight cover.